guys, it's Annie, and as most of you probably know by now, I'm gonna be moving out on my own to a studio luxury apartment, and that's in a week and a half, and there's a lot of things that you have to do to prepare to move. Seeing as how I have a cluttered walk-in closet that I actually just decluttered like a month ago, and it's cluttered again, I'm not gonna have a walk-in closet in a studio, so I need the appropriate amount of things to be stored in a studio, and this is not gonna cut it. So today I'm gonna go after this. We gotta get rid of a lot of things, okay? So it's 7 o'clock at night. My goal is just to bust it out. I'm not an expert, I'm not a pro, but I hope that anyone that struggles with organization as I do, maybe you'll be inspired to tackle your stuff and get rid of things, because I need to. I just need to. Before we tackle this bad boy, I do have one thing I want to run past you. So you know how people do like Vlogmas, where they do vlogs or post videos starting the 1st of December every single day up until Christmas? Well, I am moving and I'm gonna be super busy and have a lot on my plate, but I do want to challenge myself a little bit, and I was thinking about doing 12 days of Vlogmas, where I post a video every other day starting the 1st of December up until the 23rd of December. If you like that idea, please give this video a thumbs up. And I was also thinking about, in those 12 days of Vlogmas videos, I would do 12 days of Vlogmas giveaways, where I do like mini giveaways. If you think that's a good idea, let me know giveaway ideas in the comments, please. But I'm procrastinating on starting this organization and decluttering, so let's just do it. Let's do it. Oh gosh, I hate this kind of stuff. I really don't like organizing. So I'm thinking about just starting with the clothes, seeing what I want to keep, seeing what I want to get rid of, donating what I don't need, and then we'll move on to the shoes, and we'll see where it takes us from there. Oh, I have paint on my hand. Anyway, let's begin, shall we? So there was really no method to my madness other than the fact that I thought I would just get rid of things that I hadn't worn in a while or things that didn't spark my interest. I did just recently declutter my clothing like a month ago when I decluttered my closet before, so I didn't have a whole lot to get rid of this time, but I did find some pieces that no longer served me, and any amount of free space for a studio apartment, you know, it's gonna make a difference. So I did what I could. My donation pile isn't very large, but these are my keepers. I actually still have a good amount. They're just all, they don't take up a lot of room, so I think we're good. Okay, just went through my swimsuits. I'm getting rid of these ones. I have some keepers. I have a pool and a hot tub, so these will come in handy. You better believe that night, the first night I move in there, I'm going to be using that hot tub for sure. On to these bad boys. Not be the best organization system in the world, but they're looking a lot better. I actually got rid of some. Here's my entire donations pile. I don't even know where to go next. Maybe we will move on to these bins because they've gotten a bit crazy. Over my donations bag. So this was supposed to be my book bin, but as you can see, other things made their way in there as well, but that's okay. I'm trying. P.S. What do I do with the books I've already read? I don't need them sitting around cluttering. Would it be weird to give my books to you guys? You guys are always asking me the books that have helped me, so maybe that could be cool. Like, give you guys my books that I've read. The ones that I like and that have helped me at least. Side note, I found this Cats in Paris coloring book, the very first cat. I got this 2 years ago before I ever got Louise. Does that not look just like my cat Louise? That's crazy. Like, that's her twin. Anyway. All right, we've reached the decoration mother lode. It's a bunch of Christmas decorations, I think probably some fall decorations, but I'm gonna go through and see if I can't downsize on some of this, because do I really need 3 boxes? And I'm sure some of these are not great quality. Do I really need this sign? I don't think so. You're going away. Things are looking kind of crazy, but I'm really proud of myself with the decorations because I've been able to downsize to 2 decoration bins. I do have some fall decorations up right now. Those will be able to fit in here, so that's good. And then I was able to free up this bin, so I think I'm gonna pack up some of my general room decorations in here, such as this star. You know what, guys? While we're here, I think it's time to pack up the fall decorations. It was nice having you. Thank you for being festive. Next, I decided to tackle all the other odds and ends in my closet, and it turned out like a third of this stuff was useless and broken, and I just didn't need it in there at all for probably a long time, and it was just wasting space. So, go me. Okay guys, so I think my closet finally has only the things that I want to keep. Although, I still have not sorted out my bedroom. Basically, all of the junk laying around here are things that I'm donating, well, besides my dirty clothes. I need to wash those. So now I have to sort through all of this, but at least this proves that I'm getting rid of things. All right, this is a trash bag, but I'm using it to put donation things in. Sadly, this is broken. It won't work at all. Therefore, garbage. Donations. This is my system. I don't have a system. So besides the fact that my room looks like a crazy disaster now, I think I have it all sorted out. Right here, this is all trash. This is all getting thrown out. It is things that are either broken or just like gross and nobody's going to want to use them at all. This is a like big calendar, but it's all like dented and broken. And then right here is all of the donation items. We have 3 huge bags filled. I do have a few bags in my car to donate from when I decluttered my room, so these are going to join them, and I'm going to donate these all tomorrow, get them out of the way finally. Since it is a little late, I'm going to go take the trash out right now, and then tomorrow I'm going to take the donation stuff down to my car, pick up my room a little, and then I will give you the full grand reveal of my closet and my room decluttered. Anyway, it is 1 in the morning right now, so I need to go to sleep, and when you see me in just a second, it'll be tomorrow, and this hopefully will all be picked up, and I'll show you everything. Okay, I'm tired. I'm delirious. All right. Whew. Okay, so I'm including showing the drop-off in this video because in the past I've gathered donation items, put them in bags, and then they stayed in my closet for months and months and months before actually donating them. So to force me to do this right now, I'm putting this in the video, working my way to a clutter-free life. All right guys, I'm here. I'm gonna drop this stuff off. Are you guys ready for the grand reveal of the declutter in my room and in my closet? I think we are now fully decluttered for my move. It is coming up so soon. So first, let's have a little reminder of what things in my room and in my closet were looking like before. And now we have my closet. Actually, let's take these out. These are my dirty clothes. This does not count as clutter because these are gonna get washed like tomorrow. Okay, redo. So here we have my closet. There's so much more space. These boxes aren't even full, and once I move and I have different cabinets and cupboards and have places to store these things, I will be getting rid of these boxes. Shoes are looking a little better. We have a lot more room on the floor. These boxes are empty. I'm just keeping them so that I can pack stuff to move in them. And yeah, I would say that is much better, a lot less that I have to move. And let's look at my bedroom. Okay, we have Louise here. Are we decluttered enough, do you think? Anyway, yes, we have a lot more room, space to walk on the floor. I got rid of my computer desk that was right here, and instead of that desk, I am using this one, which was my vanity. It takes up a lot less room for a studio apartment. It's just like right in the corner, out of the way. I did have a futon right there, but it's now in our living room, and it's gonna go in my living room area at my new place. This is so much better. A lot less things to have to move. I still have to sell this right here. It's my dryer. If anyone in the LA area wants to buy a miniature clothing dryer. But that is all I have for my decluttering. It's officially done. Now the next step is just to pack everything up and actually move. Totally, I'm going to be sharing all of those steps with you, so stay tuned. The move's coming up, so there are gonna be a lot of moving related / new apartment videos. I hope you're excited, but that's all I have for you today, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye guys. I was thinking of doing like a 12 days of Christmas thing or 12 days of Vlogmas for December where I upload a video every other day, starting the 1st, going through the 23rd, and I have an idea to do giveaways in all of those 12 videos. So like I could do a giveaway where I give this away, or like a foot peel mask, because I know you people like that, or like a day where I give some skincare products away. What do you think?